Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the day where we are all getting out from this couch. I know that we have been spending the last days rolling around in the same so stinky t-shirt. But today is the day where we are gonna transform this oversized pajama in this Alexander Wang t-shirt with a crisscross on the side, a knot over here, super cool, fashionable, and so comfortable. All you're gonna need is a sewing machine. Actually, I'm gonna show you how to do it also without the sewing machine. A pair of scissors, something to unsew the borders line of your t-shirt, and a bunch of needles. Let's try. Here we go. Steal a t-shirt from your brother, your husband, your boyfriend, your neighbor, it doesn't matter. It just has to be very big because we want it long at least till after your hips. Otherwise, it's gonna become too short once we crop the 15 centimeters away from the bottom. Then we use the two lines that we cut it away. We cut it out in two, and then we have to cut away the sewings. And we're gonna give it a shape that is more pointy till the bottom, because you have to make this kind of scarf effect as the closing of the shirt. Everything that I'm explaining here has to be done twice, as with the front and the back of the bottom of the shirt that we cut it. And then we have to start to give it a more pretty and more clean pointy look and start pinning it all around so that we have a guideline when we're going to sew this all together. Every time I took out the sewing machine, I had to put the camera a little bit more far away, as when it was on the table, it was giving it like a kind of an earthquake while sewing, so I hope you're going to be able to see this anyway. You just have to go straight and take out the pins as you're sewing through them. Now, just go ahead and start cutting out the neck of the t-shirt. You don't want to cut it completely off, you just want to start from the left shoulder and cut 3 centimeters after the middle line of the t-shirt. That's where you want to stop. Same thing also on the back, and we're done. Then you take a pin and mark the place where you want to stop from cutting the line in the middle. You have to pick something that is below your breast, so something like 5 centimeters after that, and then cut straight from where you stopped your neck cutting all the way to the middle of the shirt, because that's where we're going to place the needle. The line at the end is going to be a little bit diagonal. That's how the drawing comes out. Turn around your t-shirt and then put it straight so that you can go and check where is the spot where you cut it on the front, and put a pin in the back so that you're gonna arrive at the same exact height. We want the same drawing back and forth of the t-shirt. Go ahead and start opening the shoulder where we have already cut in the neck out, so the shoulder-less side, the left one, and arrive till you leave 2 centimeters left on the shoulder. Flip everything inside out, and it's time to get absolutely confused and frustrated because you have a sort of Frankenstein t-shirt in front of you, nothing matches, you think that it's never gonna work out, till you realize, no, it doesn't work. So, to make it easier, this cutie over here made your drawing. Oh, so much better. We're gonna keep the drawing on the side while going through the instructions. It's gonna make it so much easier to follow up. Okay, we're starting by making the shape of where we want the hole on our stomach. To make this more circular and rounder, we have to add a few little cuts that are gonna make it easier to pin it and giving it the perfect shape. Everywhere you see that I made a red line on the drawing is where we're gonna have to pin the material on itself, so to then sew it as a good finished line. We are gonna have to do the same exact work on the front and the back of the t-shirt, and as you can see, on the side where we are still attached to the neck, I have pinned all the way up, while on the opposite side here, I didn't pin it, and I'm just gonna leave it open to attach the scarf, and now fold the shoulder, making the rounded effect as straight as possible. We want it to be a straight line. Now we go ahead and attach the little scarves that we prepared before on the edges where we did not pin. So the blue lines, where you see on the drawings, the blue line is where you want to attach the scarf to the t-shirt, keeping always the sewings to the insides. In this way, all the stitches are going to become kind of invisible. Go ahead and start sewing every single thing that you pinned from the top to the bottom. Take out the pins as you're going so that the needle is not going to get stuck inside of it. It's going to make it a lot easier. And go extremely slowly once you arrive to the rounded side, so the hole on the stomach. And you're going to have to twist and turn the t-shirt slowly as you're working, taking the pins out to make this work as clean as possible. Great. Once you're done with all the sewing, you are gonna have to try on the shirt and trim it as much as you want. Like if you want it a bit shorter, a bit longer. But most importantly, you have to try on the neck, because 100% you're gonna have to cut away something like this, like 8 centimeters from the neck. Better that you try it on, because the weight and the absence of the shoulder on one side is gonna drag it all to the bottom. So what you wanna do is try it on, pinch it, and cut away the part that is too much. Always remember to be careful and to make sure that all your sewings are going to face the inside of the t-shirt and not that you're sewing it the other way around. The t-shirt is done, and I think it's super cool. It adds such a special, fun vibe to your everyday look. Before we go on and try it on and see how to style it with every sort of different outfit, let's see a little clip of what to do in case you don't have a sewing machine. I took here just a tiny sample to show how to do the work, but basically this is what you have to do on all the red lines that you saw in the drawing. You're gonna have to fold the fabric twice on itself. Pin it so to secure all the material inside the fabric that you rolled, and then you're just gonna have to go in with your needle and thread to go straight vertically compared to the rolling that you've done, and patiently go inside from one side, and then you have to go keeping straight in from one side, push it in and out while you're going straight, and then pull the needle out directly from the other side. And here we go, your favorite Victoria's Secret model showing you the best trends of the summer. You can totally go ahead and wear it without a bra if you're one of those lucky human beings that can live a free braless life. But if you don't, it's still gonna look cool like this. You can style it as you want. Take your little scarf out. I also decided to add a little pin on the front to be sure that there would be no booby action going on in the middle of the day. And here we go with the second outfit, wearing the t-shirt in white with an outfit that's a little bit more girly and fun for the summer. But get ready for the favorite look of everyone, because everybody loves basics. High-waisted jeans, your t-shirt, a cool pair of sunglasses, and you're ready to go. I said ready to go. This means that we're leaving the apartment. We have a cool outfit, so take that trash can and go show your neighbors that you have something rather than only pajamas.